everyone, we're going to present you a solution from Operation Research Modeling problem, and these are the outlines. So firstly, we're going to introduce the problem, and then the problem itself, and then the solution, lastly the suggestion for this problem. So the problem is about the agriculture. A farmer who has 7 hectares of land is thinking about how many hectares of land to be planted with corn and a few hectares to be planted with wheat. He knows that if it is planted with corn, each hectare of land will produce 10 tons of corn. This requires 4 hours of people every week. If it is planted with wheat, the result is 25 tons per hectare and the required 10 hours per week. Each kilogram of corn can be sold for 3,800 rupiahs, while the selling price of wheat is 4,000 rupiahs per kilogram. Currently, these farmers have only 40 people an hour every week because no government regulation that requires every farmer to produce at least 30 tons of grain each harvest. How formulations and results of calculation of these issues so that farmers are able to work on their land optimally. And this is the solution. So in this problem, we have 2 decision variables. Before I'm telling you what are the decision variables in this problem, I'm going to tell you what is the decision variable. Decision variable is a quantity that decision maker controls. In this problem, there are 2 decision variables. Firstly is x1. x1 is amount of hectares of land to be planted with corn in hectare unit. And x2 is amount of hectares of land to be planted with wheat in hectare unit. So as you can see, this is table. Table contains the information about the corn and wheat. So for corn, the land of corn can produce 10 tons per hectare, and the land of wheat can produce 25 tons per hectare. And the person who work in the land of corn is 4, and wheat is 10 per week. 10 hours person per week. And the limitation of the person are 40 from the farmers. And the price for corn is 3,800 rupiahs, while wheat is 4,000 rupiahs. And the limitation to grow the land of wheat is at least 30 grains. And we also determine the objective function in this problem. The objective function is to maximize the amount of land to be planted with corn and wheat, and this is the equation is 38 million x1 plus 100 million x2. And this is the constraints. Firstly, the land of constraint, and then hours percent of week of constraints, and 3 is government regulatory constraints for each harvest wheat yield. So we got the solution for this problem. The value for this objective function is 400 million rupiahs. From this solution, we can conclude that we don't need to plant corn, and we can also plant wheat for only 4 hectares to maximize the land.
Udah
ngerjain gue anjir. Udah kan, mau gitu aja.
Tapi nggak ada kata sambungnya loh, logat nyambung.
Ini apa? By clicking solve, we got the solution for this problem. We got the value from objective function is 400 million rupiahs, and the value of variable x1 is 0, and the variable of x2 is 4. It means that we don't need to plant corn, and we need to plant wheat for only 4 hectares. Thank you. And thank you. We hope you